Here are the problems of not acting soon. There are only 2 to 3 slots available per location. So if someone else gets ahead of you, you may not have a chance. The approval process takes some time, and you are missing out on all those leads, calls, and revenue. As more time passes, we are reaching out to others who may take your spot, and you'll be losing leads and calls to them. To recap, 1. This is great because Google recommends you. 2. The green checkmark builds confidence and you get better conversions. 3. You are seen right on top of the page above even the sponsored ads in SEO and maps even. All the reasons why you must take advantage of it now, before there are any algorithm changes, when the same opportunity to accumulate clients may exist. Later we will share with you how you can have a consistent flow of leads and appointments with some of our other tools, how you can automate follow-through and nurturing these past customers, and how you can have even more real estate on the first page of both Google and Bing. Do get in touch today and text calls for me to reach out to you. Fill out the contact form on sbonotseo.com. sbonotseo.com. Text me carpet calls to 805-600-3335 for your free ebook. Or carpet calls cost to see if it is in your ballpark after you fill in the contact form in the website sbonotseo.com.